Today's video is brought to you by Innovative Touch. In today's video, we're going to be removing a broken bolt that was broken off into a part for his engine. So we had him remove the engine piece and he brought it to the shop, and we're going to show how to remove the broken bolt. We're going to be using an 1/8" drill bit to drill maybe about a 1/2 inch into the broken bolt and try to remove it. We're going to be using these screw extractors with some tapered heads. First, we're going to start by clamping down the automotive part. I'm going to drill a hole into the center of the screws and make sure I get a good spot so that way it can turn good whenever I go to loosen it up. I got my hole drill. I'm going to tap the screw extractor into it just a little bit, but not too much to damage the extractor. Then I'm going to take this little tool that I had purchased and give it a little twist to loosen it up. And that's how you remove a broken bolt or screw. If the broken screw doesn't seem to come off too well, just screw it back in where it came from, just a little bit. Wiggle it side by side a little bit, then it should come out. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel at Dirty318 for more YouTube videos on how to and how to do it yourself videos. Just give me 50 cents. I know.